Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Yes guys, been a while since I did a video, but guess what guys, today I'm gonna show you what's going on with some of my fruit tree. So far I want you to watch this video to the end because I have a surprise I want to show you guys. I want to show you guys a surprise and how patient is important to have patience in this garden journey. So as you can see guys, usually in January sometimes our fruit trees like our peach already bloom and don't push out their flowers. But this year we have some challenging garden frost, and guys, now everything is just doing wonderful. What I love with these peach tree, they produce so many peach. But the only thing is I have so much problem with the squirrel them. So this year we plan on doing something different, putting the galvanizer around and putting metal around the limb that they cannot go up in the tree. Let's see how this gonna work. So guys, so far our peach tree is doing amazing so far. So let's walk down and I'm gonna just show you the fruit trees them that just producing at this time. So let's go down a little further guys. Have a lot of work to do. I got to put the fence around. I want to put some mesh wire this time. Now mesh wire, that type of wire down there come around there because I'm trying to protect and keep them from the frost. So this is our onion, this is our garlic, doing wonderful guys. Yes, that's why it's good to get your garden going in the fall. So now it's easier for you. What is this? Okay. All right guys, so we have another plum tree here. This is a plum tree, and this plum tree been bearing for the past 3 years now. This is a 3 years since I plant this, and it been producing for the past 3 years. Now when we look at this here, we have to tie this around there to keep the squirrel from climbing up. All right, so far our peach tree is doing wonderful. So let's go down to the bottom down here guys. Our peach tree and our plum tree. We also have a massive plum tree down here, and this plum tree produce a lot of plum every year, and so far what we're seeing, it seems like it's the same thing gonna happen this year. So we're seeing a lot of flowers. We're seeing a lot of flowers in the plant this year. So far we're seeing a lot of flowers. I don't know if you able to see guys. I don't know, but the weather was very challenging this year, so we don't know for sure what's gonna happen. But looking beautiful. Look here. And as you see, the metal goes up to the ground. Yes, so let me carry you over here. I also want to show you, this is an apricot, but this apricot need to move from here. It's not doing well here at all. Yes, look, we have our nectarine here. This is our nectarine. Produced a lot last year, so it's doing really wonderful. Going up here, and as you see, we have the metal down there as well. These are our fig, but so far we ain't seeing nothing with our fig tree so far, so we're gonna be waiting. I'm looking at this apple tree here. I purchased this apple tree for almost $50, and last year I'm looking at the bulb them, I'm looking at them, and they look like they might produce apple this year. So let's see guys, let's see. But I want to show you guys a surprise guys. So let's go down and see this surprise guys. Let's go down and see this surprise. All right. So hear what, guys? Hear what? These three peach tree here. We have this one here. We have this one. And we have this one. So the three of them came from the mother peach tree that I show you up there. This one here, we find it growing up right by the stone over there. And these we find them under the peach tree itself. So they're growing nice and they're doing wonderful. Now let me show you what is actually happening now. So this one, this is the third year after I find this peach tree. What I did, I dig it up and I put it in the container. I tell myself I want to give it to someone. Look what happened now, guys. The peach tree is actually producing now. I'm sure there's people who follow my channel who know, who saw when I dig this peach tree up. I know that for a fact. So I dig it up, put it in this container for a couple of years now. Now it's actually producing. So this is the surprise, guys. Yes, so don't give up, guys. Don't give up. Don't give up. Sometimes you'll be just surprised. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Peace.